Hey everyone, this is EIO back again with another video. So as we are getting closer to the launch of Redmi K40 series, more and more details are getting revealed about the phone on web. And today we will have a very first look at the upcoming Redmi K40 and the K40 Pro. Popular Chinese certification company well known as Tena has officially released the renders of Redmi K40 series, and this is what the phone will look like. This is Redmi K40 and this is the Redmi K40 Pro. Now over the back, the phone has a quite standard metal and glass finish, and along with that there is a quad camera setup aligned vertically at the corner similar to Mi 11. Apart from this, we also have a hands-on picture of the phone which shows a live unit for the first time. As you can see here, we can clearly see 4 sensors in the camera setup and also the branding of 108 megapixel AI quad camera. So that's really impressive that the K40 series will pack a main 108 megapixel sensor. According to the Chinese certification site, the Redmi K40 will have a 6.7-inch AMOLED display along with support for 120Hz refresh rate, which is just amazing. As revealed from the renders, the phone will have a bezel-less display along with a tiny punch hole cutout on the top of the screen, and here's one of the leaked image of the phone. So the front of the phone will look quite classic and standard. Moreover, the phone will have 4400 mAh of battery along with 33 watt of fast charging as revealed by the site. In terms of performance, the high-end Redmi K40 Pro is almost confirmed to have Snapdragon 888 chipset with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. However, the standard K40 is speculated to come with Snapdragon 870 processor, which is also an amazing powerful chip. So let me know what are your opinions about this leaked pic of Redmi K40 in comments below. As we have mentioned earlier, the phone is expected to launch on 25th of February, so not a long wait, and just stay tuned with us for any latest coverage on this phone. Subscribe the channel if you haven't already, and just as always, keep watching and keep smiling.